In the last 2 years that I have been teaching communication, public speaking, and helping more children to get better at thought programming, I have learned a few things. One of the things that I've really admired is the courage of every child to overcome the fear, the hesitancy, the doubt whether they can do it or not. Whenever they've joined my class, I'm very happy to witness the children, the young kids, the youth talking about whatever comes to their mind to freely express that in the class. Second, what I've realized is as a teacher, if I do not create a safe space wherein every child feels accepted, appreciated, comfortable, I would not say very comfortable because children do get conscious when they look at other kids. But to create a safe space is very important where they feel that they can be themselves, where they can truly express what they are feeling, thinking, and wanting to say or formulate. Many times I've seen that, children, it's not about children being introvert, extrovert, shy, or talkative, or nervous. It's not like, or selective or moody. It's not really that. It's more about their own perception of themselves, how they perceive themselves, how they perceive themselves to be projected to others. If they develop a good self confidence, if they develop that whoever they are, whatever they are thinking, is coming from the core. And trust me, when you make up something or just look up from Google versus when it comes from your core, when you can feel it, that it's from you, from within, even if it is not in, say, proper English or with the proper grammar or in the right way, that you would have seen it, happening in your mind. But you were at least able to do it. And if it comes from within, that is where the confidence comes from. And also, it's all about perspectives. Sometimes what we think right and wrong versus what is right and wrong versus, how to change your perception. Like, for example, whenever I've seen, that children think that parents are wrong about something, I like to put up a debate where it says, parents are better than kids. And then when they see, when they have to speak for it, it's magical how they come up with what we expect them to talk about. So today's kids, you cannot give them a lecture on what is right and wrong. You can't tell them what to do. If you want to guide them, if you want to show them the right way, it's all about letting it come from them, their minds, their mouths, and that is how it's actually going to make a difference. So, the mind of the child, what it processes and what comes out from the mouth, is what is going to be taken seriously by them as well as their peers.